What if you turned your account in TikTok into the private mode and now you cannot turn it off? So how to do this I will show you in this video. So honestly, it's pretty easy. So all you need is just to go to your profile and make sure that you are logged in, and now in the top of the screen we can see that this is a private account. So how can we turn it off? Some people go to edit profile, but there is no options, and the interface, by the way, has recently changed. So this is the only way how you can do this right up now. So all we need is just to click on more in the right top corner to find these settings, and now we need to open privacy and security right up here, and then in the account window we need to find line with privacy. So just click on it right up here, and here we can see the discoverability. So the first line is about private accounts. So all we need now is just to turn it off by switching, by clicking on this blue button. So it asks us, do we need to switch it to public account? There is a different options with the public account. So to do this, all we need is just to click on switch, and now we successfully turned our account into the public mode. So if we'll now open the account, we can see that in the top of the corner there is no different like text or something like this about the private. So I think this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and write your comment. Goodbye.